Hi, what's up, Dogecoin holders? So what's going on? Today video is going to be very special and very important for all Dogecoin holders because my brother Dogecoin price is decreased now. So I think it's a very bad news, but don't worry, my friend. Absolutely, if they were fails down, so does not mean, my friend, today will fails down forever. Definitely after a short phase they will take a very huge jump. I am 100% sure. So therefore I will notify you, my all viewers, my subscriber, to please don't start selling. Just only you will need to hold now, otherwise my friends they will cannot give you a profit. So please, my friends, do this what I tell you. I am 100% sure you will get a very good profit. You will earn a lot of money from crypto market, my friend. So let me start the brand video. Please, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. My brother's Dogecoin price 0.22744 USD dollar, and this time you can see here this is the highest price in last 7 days. You can see here, and the current price, the latest price, my friend, you can see here 0.20 USD dollar. So definitely the price is very badly decreased now in this time, my friends. So what we will need to do to be safe from loss, my friend, expert says to upcoming time there is a chance to call Dogecoin, my friend, is will collaborate with a lot of companies. So if they will collaborate with a lot of companies, my friends, so I'm 100% sure, my friends, so they will pump up and they cannot hit this resistance line. So therefore they will fail. Therefore they will lose now. If they hit the resistance line, so I'm 100% sure, my friends, they will give you a profit. So kindly holders, you will need, my friends, to hold now, and definitely if you starting investing more and more, so the prices will be increasing now, because you know everything is depend on volume. If the volume is increased, so definitely the price is increased. So kindly holder, I just notify you, my viewers, my subscriber. Remember to, this is not a financial video, I just advise you. Thanks for watching Dogecoin holder. Please like video and also subscribe our YouTube channel.